Yo, what's up? It's a boy Young Josie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, man, me class, me on class, me feel me on class. Me and me on bus. Yeah, man. Wow. So today, guys, I'm going to show you 5 essential tools you need when you want to install a DStv. So if you are a starter or a beginner, or you want to open your own business for installing DSTVs, these are the tools that you need to have. So let's get started. So the first one is a drill. It's just that I left my drill at work, but I put the picture there. A drill. So a drill ensures that you can drill your holes for the main bracket to hold the dish. It will make it stable and strong. Number 2, spanner number 10. So spanner number 10 is used to tighten the bolts on the satellite dish and tighten also the LNB holder. So you must have number 10. Number 3, spanner number 13. So spanner number 13 ensures that you tighten on the main bolt for the bracket, and sometimes depending which type of satellite dish you bought, you can use it also where the spanner number 10 was working. So number 4, it's a screwdriver. The screwdriver is used to tighten the connectors and LNB, and you can know that that's where a screwdriver works. You must have a screwdriver. Okay, let's go to the last one, number 5, the most important thing. It's a satellite finder, and it also goes with this cable. That's where it goes. So a satellite finder is used to align the dish to find signal from the DStv. So if you don't have a satellite finder, it's gonna be difficult for you to find signal for the DS. So this is the most important tool. So guys, I think these are the 5 essential tools you need to start a business, or maybe you want to install your DStv for your own. You must have those tools. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also switch on the notification icon so that when I post another video, you'll be alert. You'll be the first one to get the alert. Wow.